5 Tips for Staying Motivated at the End of the Semester. As you approach the last few weeks of class, consider these 5 strategies to help you manage your stress and your schedule. Keep your focus on the future. Being under stress can affect your motivation. Consider why you chose to attend school in the first place and what you intend to accomplish by receiving your degree rather than focusing on how much work you still have to complete. When things are challenging, make a list of your motivators and remind yourself of your objectives. Create a plan and follow it. It's time to stop putting off your studying throughout the semester if you have been guilty of doing so. To ensure that you have enough time to do each task, list all of your due dates for meetings and exams in your planner. Lean on your network of supporters. Keep in mind that you don't have to struggle alone. Don't be afraid to ask for further assistance if you need it. Your professors and advisors are available to help you achieve. Another excellent strategy to maintain motivation and hold yourself accountable to your academic obligations is to form study groups with your peers. Remember to set aside time for yourself. Even though working hard and studying are vital, everyone needs a break. You must set aside some time for yourself to unwind and get ready for the next day. You deserve some downtime, whether you go out to dinner, take a walk, or spend time with your family. Celebrate your successes. Most importantly, acknowledge your accomplishments thus far and be proud of them. Consider everything you have learned during your academic career as you get ready for your final exams, and have faith in your ability to finish strongly.